Dreaming of your next getaway but worried about the upfront cost? Today, we're unlocking how Afterpay can make booking flights a breeze, breaking down the payments so you can fly now and pay later. Here's how you can leverage Afterpay for your air travel. First, you'll need to ensure the airline or travel agency you're booking with is a partner of Afterpay. Many popular airlines and online travel agencies have integrated Afterpay as a payment option. When you reach the payment section of your booking, simply look for the Afterpay logo if it's available. Select it as your preferred payment method. After selecting Afterpay, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an Afterpay account. If you don't already have one, you'll then see a clear breakdown of your payment schedule. Typically, Afterpay splits your total flight cost into 4 equal payments. The first payment is usually due at the time of purchase, with the remaining 3 payments automatically deducted every 2 weeks. This means your flight costs are spread out, making it much more manageable for your budget. Now, let's talk eligibility to use Afterpay. You generally need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid credit or debit card, and be a resident of an eligible country. It's always a good idea to check Afterpay's website for the most up-to-date eligibility requirements. Using Afterpay for flights makes those dream destinations feel a lot closer. It's about making travel accessible and affordable, without the stress of a large upfront expense. So, start planning your next adventure and enjoy the freedom of flexible payments. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and budget-friendly tips. Happy flying!